I'm thinking this is a cucumber beetle, but I'm not sure. It is really destroying my garden. Would you know a non-pesticide way to get rid of them? And this is Mike from Buckley, Washington. So thank you for that picture, Mike. It's a good picture you had there. Is it a cucumber beetle? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay. But how would you get rid of it?
Yeah.
Non-pesticide way. Non-pesticide
I
way.
would smash it.
So you will
I'd
find it.
pick it off and I would smash it.
You would smash it. Okay.
Yeah. Because, you know, a lot of you can use pyrethroids and stuff but you have to actually get them on.
Yeah, you got to contact the beetle.
Yeah, the contact beetle. And sometimes you don't see them.
Yeah.
Because the problem is they'll bite the vegetable and then they transfer the wilts.
Yeah, the bacteria.
The bacterial wilt. And oh my goodness.
And when that happens.
That's what everything's gone, yeah. It's a downhill from there. So I don't, you know, other than that, the pyrethroids.
Yeah, you can do the pyrethroids.
But
neem oil, but again, it has to be there for you to contact it.
If you have neem oil and you don't want to smash it, you can just trace them around and spray them.
Spray them.
But I mean, like contact insecticides are probably the least lethal way to do that, and they're hard to catch.
Right, yeah, because they can move pretty rapidly and they can fly.
Yeah.
So those would be pretty tough to use. But there are non-pesticide ways to control. There's a couple other things, right? So you can use floating row covers.
Oh, that's
right?
true.
So you can
cover
the
them
plants. But then the thing about it is you have to remove the row cover once the plant in bloom.
That's
So
true,
they
because
get
you want
pollinated.
you want the bees to pollinate
Right.
it.
So you want to get pollinated. So let's think about the floating row covers. Something else that you can do is you can plant late. How about planting later?
Yeah.
Okay. Or how about a trap crop? Just talk about that. So you just plant something else, and just let them have at that while you have this over here.
Yeah.
So that's something else you could do. Or resistant varieties.
Wait, and
If there are any
and
out
then
there,
you can
do a
have
little research.
the cucumber beetle can bite them, and they can have the plant that it's biting is resistant to the bacterial wilt.
Yep.
And so
At least you have the plant.
At least you have your plant and your fruits and stuff.
Yeah. So I mean, those are some of the things I would consider. If you, don't want to use neem oil, the pyrethroids,
Or touch them.
Or touch them. But the floating row covers, something's good. Resistant varieties, you can find that. Trap crop, let them eat something else, or just plant later. Because by the time the larva matures, becomes an adult, that's early in the season, so they'll find something else to eat, and then you can have. What you need in your own garden there, Mike. So thank you for that question. And if you have any other questions about that, do check with your local extension office there. They may have some publications.
Yeah, and they may have a good timing for him also.
Exactly, they sure may. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.